Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the sailor crab in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the sailor crab looks like, and sometimes you need to catch this crab to complete the pirate quest. Wait, let me show you. Okay, and for today's quest, I don't need to catch it guys, but sometimes we will get a quest to catch the sailor crab, and I'm going to show you how you can catch this crab. First thing first, of course, you need to go to the Pirate Cove Island, and then basically you just need to do fishing on this island, and I'm going to show you guys the spot where I got the sailor crab. So this is the spot, and this is a legendary fish. Okay, this is the fish. You can get the sailor crab 1 in 5k chance. And to catch this crab, I recommend you to use the Aries rod or maybe the ghost fin rod if you have. And I'm using the Aries rod to catch the sailor crab. Okay guys, and that's all about the sailor crab in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.